Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford Fiesta catalytic converter. First, gather your essential tools, including a jack stands, and various wrenches. Always ensure your vehicle is completely cool and securely supported on a level surface before starting. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. Finally, locate the catalytic converter, typically found in the exhaust system under the vehicle. Now, let's remove the old converter. Begin by spraying penetrating oil on any rusted bolts to help loosen them. Carefully unbolt the exhaust pipes connected to the catalytic converter. Next, gently disconnect the oxygen sensors. These are often fragile. Finally, remove all mounting bolts and brackets that secure the converter to the vehicle's undercarriage. With the old converter out, it's time for the new one. First, clean all mating surfaces thoroughly to ensure a good seal. Install new gaskets and any new hardware provided with your replacement part. Carefully position the new catalytic converter and connect it to the exhaust system. Finally, reattach the oxygen sensors and secure the exhaust pipes firmly. You're almost done. Double-check that all bolts are tightened securely, ideally to manufacturer specifications. Reconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Start the engine and carefully check for any exhaust leaks, listening for hissing sounds. Finally, take your Ford Fiesta for a short test drive to confirm the new catalytic converter is functioning correctly and there are no warning lights.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.